remember. Okay, let's see if I have a king right here. Another king right here. And let's say I have a... Okay, let's say I have D. Remember when you're in check, there's a 3 thing we can do. What is it? Okay, very good. All right, A, B, C. Okay, so A is mean attack, right? So let's say if I put my queen right here, you can attack me, right? So I can take your queen with my bishop. Right? Block? Yes, good. So how do we do it? We take the bishop, we block the check, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that's not a checkmate. And C, what is C?
Run away like a chicken.
Run away like a chicken. Good. So I can run right here. Yes?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Wait, oh yeah. You know
Yeah.
why?
Okay, what about checkmate? When do we have a checkmate? So let's say if I put my queen right here, can we do A?
Capture. No.
Are you sure? Can we capture the queen?
No. I mean the king.
But look at the king. So we can't do that, right? Can we block the check?
No.
Can I just do this? No, right? Can I run away like a chicken? Can I run here? What about here? 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 What about down here? No. Okay, so that's a checkmate, right? Anybody find me a checkmate for white? So white to move and checkmate the black king. There's 2 ways. Okay, buddy?
So,
Okay, let's say with the rooks right here, right? Okay, guys, can we do A?
no.
Okay, can we do B?
Yeah.
Yes, we can. See, 1, I can block the check with my bishop. Or 2, I can block with the knight, right? So that's not a checkmate. Okay, buddy.
This could go right here.
Okay, queen go right down. Take the bishop, we take the queen, right?
Yeah.
So that's not a checkmate. Also, we can do B. We can block the check like this. Okay, one more try, buddy. Okay, let's see. Can we do A? Can we attack the queen?
No.
Can we block?
No.
Can we block right here?
We could go
No,
right here.
but we can run away like a chicken.
Yeah.
So that's not a checkmate. Okay, last try. Can we do A? Can we just capture the queen?
Yeah.
Yes, are you sure? No, because of the rooks, right? I'm gonna capture the king. Can I do B? Can I block the check? Yes or no?
No. You
Can-
can't run away.
Can I run away like a chicken?
No.
Can I run here?
No.
Here?
No.
Can I run here?
No. You can't block the check.
No.
With the light.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
You can go like this.
but then the rook's gonna capture your king.
Wait, I know.
Can I do B? Can I block?
No.
No. Can I do C? Can I run away like a chicken?
No.
No, right? Okay, good. Let's do one more. White to play. Checkmate in 1 move, guys. Okay, that's a interesting move. Okay, guys, questions. Can I do A? Yes or no?
Yeah.
No, right? Can I do B? Can I block the check?
Yeah, like this.
Yes, I can. I can block this way or that way, right? So that's not a checkmate. One more time, open the window. Okay, how do we open the window? Very easy. Here, you just move the pawn up this way or up this way, right? Okay, so let's say I open the window that way, right? Now if I give a check, is that still a checkmate?
No, because
Why?
the king could go right there.
Right, because you open the window. Now I can crawl out of the window, right? I'm safe. Yes? Here's one thing I want you guys to do in your game, okay? First of all, castle. Next thing, open the window. Your rooks is capturing your king. So you can't do that. Do something else. Okay, wait. The queen was right here, right? Yeah, if he wants, he can capture the knight like this, okay? The knight moves like this, or like this, or like this, okay? All right, this is Coach Sebastian. We're here at Walteria in Torrance. Right now, we just wrap up our lesson. Today, we learned about check and checkmate. So far, they're doing pretty good. They're learning the concept. They're actually applying it into their game. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how they're doing right now.
All right, what do you got? So we tried this one. Not a bad move. It will result in a checkmate. We saw this one. I think somebody took that and we were able to get a checkmate. Okay, take a look. Okay, where's the checkmate in 1, Mr. Zane? Queen G7, check, king takes. Good try though. rook to G1 first?
Yes.
Okay, then if you do that, if you go rook to G1 first, then I'm...
And then...
Hold on. If you go rook to G1 first, I'm going to do this. Check. So now what would you do? You have to save the king.
Yeah.
So let's see if you can get the checkmate in 3. Watch, let's see. So you're going to move the king. Would you block? No. Would you block? No. Would you run?
Yes.
Okay, so that's 1 move. Wait, is that 2 moves? Let's see, can you get a checkmate on the next move? The chocolate's going to go back here. Yeah, I have to go there. So now what?
And then the rook. Whoa, you can either move the queen or the
You
rook.
tell me what you want to do. It's your play right now. Now watch the board.
I got the 2.
Don't lose focus out there.
I got one.
This is a cool puzzle.
So rook on G1 to G6.
Okay.
G7.
That's not a checkmate.
And then
So that's 3 moves, right? Because he moved the rook here, and then I had to check him, he moved there, and then 3 is not checkmate. But there is a 3-move checkmate. Now obviously I cannot take this because of that. But I'm not in check. I could just take it with this. Right? And then if you take, you can't get a checkmate, right? You could do this, check. Can I take it with this? No, because it's thin. But I can take it with this. I know, but I took it out though. I'm going to use a king.
He's not cooked.
The king is in check right now.
Oh, right. It's check. So you pretty much, what would you do? Check. Run there.
I think I found it.
And then you could do something like this.
Checkmate.
Check. And the game would continue. So that was a lot on that one right there. Wow. Well, you did rook to G1. But that's not it.
Queen to D8.
There you go. That's going to get checkmate in 3. Good. I think that's going to get checkmate in 3. Watch. Let's take a look. She goes queen to D8. Okay, now, what am I going to do as chocolate? I'm going to say check because it's the only thing I can do. I go check. Oh, you can do this. Check. That's 2. There you go. There it is. 3. See it? Checkmate. That's 3. That's 3.
Is that
Yeah.
the only way?
You guys see that? All right, look at it again. Look at it again. Soraya cracked the code on 3. Look, we're going to go here. I'm going to try to delay it by saying check. The king's going to run away. Oh, let's see if you can get it on one. Chocolate, what do they want to do? They want to take Rachel or take Rebecca as checkmate. So now,
You're
if you
supposed to
take
sit
this,
down.
this
Be
checkmate.
quiet.
Can you do this?
She's a foghorn.
Check.
Foghorn.
Checkmate.
I heard that.
2.
I heard
You guys see that? Atticus's eyes are going like that. Atticus's eyes are going like that. That's awesome.